I'm so glad you wanted to hang out.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really still watching Braveheart. It's one of my favorite movies.
Yeah, the movie's okay. I mean, I really just like Mel Gibson as a person. You know, I look up to.
Really?
Yeah, let's watch the movie. I sneezed!
She's not gonna make it! She's not gonna make it like that! She's not! What the hell's going on?
I'm so sorry.
Miss Justin, an 8.1 earthquake was recorded outside of Westchester County just now. Stay inside and find out.
God has left us! Oh my God! That was my dad once!
I am Satan. I am the only God. The God of pain and suffering. I will destroy you.
So you want to watch the rest of Braveheart?